The origin of the Public Education Leadership Project actually is closely related to the work and the origin of the business school, which was basically how do you build high-performing corporations? And we started out looking to see if the knowledge we were creating around for-profit organizations could transfer to public education. We engaged in a partnership among the Harvard Graduate School Education and urban school districts to determine whether or not that would make a difference. And we set about the task of actually trying to build that knowledge and influence the effectiveness of leaders in public education.
PELP is an example of how two very strong schools within the university can collaborate and come together and work on something with a common mission, common purpose, and truly work together. We have teaching team meetings, we have research team meetings. We are constantly in contact with one another.
What we've been able to do here now is take the best knowledge from the business community and the best knowledge from the education community and truly merge that knowledge so that the cases that we write from the districts that we visited have the wonderful blend of both in terms of ideologies and frameworks and research.
It's such a resource-rich program that brings together the knowledge, the experience, and the perspectives of both the Harvard Business School and the Harvard Graduate School of Education. And really, you need both of those perspectives to come together to really address the issues that are happening in public education systems. The faculty group and the program itself really have a dedication to helping districts that are facing problems today. How can we help to bring all these resources and make it real and practical for the leaders that are facing the problems today so that they can use it immediately?
I think this program is unique from the perspective of the participants because there's no other place that they can understand in a deep way what's known about education and education leadership and management and what's known about private sector, corporate practices and policies, as well as nonprofits. So this intersection really happens nowhere else. It's not just one study. It's a project that has continued for some time, developed a rich network of participants, as well as a deep store of both information and cases that are very useful. So it is about the intersection of these two schools and all that the faculty know from them, but it's also the work that we've developed together.
The PELP program is a terrific melding of the two sides. It's still leadership and management, but it's also, from both sides. We have people like Susan Moore Johnson, who studies organizations from the education side. I've studied primarily business organizations. Same with Alan Grossman, but we all share in that kind of common mission to really transform pre-K-12 in the United States.